this is the place. I have to do maintenance on the animatronics. I have to use this to conduct the electricity and power. And the animatronics is kind of dark in here, so don't know what the animatronic is. Great. Well, let's take this over to the animatronic. His name was Android Bot 9000. He used to entertain children, but now he's just scaring them. So we need to put it in. We need to put it in the other animatronic so we have this power source so it can. Ow! Ow! Oh gosh, that hurts. That hurts. That hurts. That hurts a lot. Alright, so after using that by the power of this, we just need to. There we go. Everything is that, but it's. Alright, so now we got the power source. Let's just bring this to here. Let's just put this by the door. And, oh, here's my phone. I probably left it by the animatronic. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Let's go get it. Ow, ow, that hurts. Well, let's go get it. Alright, so that like 5 times now. Alright, where did he go? Oh, no. He used the power was deactivated. He can't go that far, right? This is just a tiny room. Think again. What was that noise? Oh, no, stop. I command you, stop. Oh, my stomach. Here, take a seat. I said, take a seat. Now, let me ask you a question. Stay in your seat. Or you. Oh, you get on my last nerves. I'll probably just kill you one.